Hello, hello. Hello, sweeties. Hello, Miguel. Hello, Juanita. Hello, Martín Pérez. Hello, Juan Jesús, Sarita, Majo, Antonella, Sarita, Samuel. Oh, wow, you are so ready. Hello, everyone. Good morning. So we are going to begin with our math class. We are going to do some measurements today. We are going to continue working with measure, okay? So let's see. What about if, hello Marianita, hi sweetie. So what about to begin the day with the good morning song? Ready? Okay, hello Pipe. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I said good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands in the morning. I do my dance in the morning. I shout, hooray! This is going to be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I said good morning. Hello, and how are you? Yay, very good. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here for our math class. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Thursday. Happy Thursday for everyone. And remember, we are on the month of June. We are on June. Hello, Majo. Welcome. Okay, so let's begin. As I told you, today we are going to continue working with measurement. And we are going to, hello Miguel. And we are going to talk about a new word. We are going to talk about something very interesting. We are going to talk about the word estimation. Have you ever heard the word estimation? Hello, say hi, sweetie. Estimation? Estimation is when we make a guess, when we try to guess the length of something, when we try to guess what time it is, when we try to guess the distance, right? We said, it is probably 1 kilometer, or it is about 8 o'clock. So you make a guess, you make an estimation. That's what we are going to do today. So, as I said, estimation is making a guess. And the words that we use when we are talking about estimation are about, or almost, more or less. Hello, Pipe. My mom, his face is color blue. My face is color blue? My? Hello, Carlitos. Really? Okay. And we can make estimations. We can make estimations when we go shopping, when we are at the supermarket with our parents. We can make estimations about the money. We can say, I have, I don't know, 100 pesos. So I can buy this or I can buy this, and the money is going to be enough. Okay. We can make guess when cooking, right? When mom and dad are cooking, they said, I'm going to pour a little more water, or I'm going to pour a little more salt, or it needs more pepper, right? We make a guess. Or the food is in the oven and I think it needs to be 5 more minutes or 10 more minutes. We make guess. Tratamos de adivinar cantidades, right? With time, as I told you, and with distance, right? So we make guess. We make a guess. We estimate. And that's what we are going to do today. We are going to estimate. We are going to try to guess the length of some objects that I have here, but we are not going to use the ruler. Today, we are not going to measure with the ruler. Today, we are going to measure with something different. Today, sometimes we don't have a ruler or we don't have something to measure. So we can use different objects. For example, if I don't have a ruler, I can measure with a piece of wool or I can measure with an object. Today we are going to measure using some clips. Okay? Very good. So today we are going to measure. Our unit of measurement today is going to be this clip, okay? Very good. So you don't need the clips. I am going to use the clips, okay? You do not need the clips, just me, okay? Very good. So let's begin. You are going to use your Cuadritos notebook, okay? So please get ready. Hello, Cami. You are going to use your notebook. Get ready with your Cuadritos notebook and you are going to need your pencil, okay? Your notebook and your pencil. Get ready with your notebook and your pencil. Here I have my notebook. Okie dokie. Are you ready with your notebook? Hello, Miguel. Hi, sweetie. Wait. Okie dokie. I love you, Carlitos. Okay. So let's begin. Okay. Ready? Okay, here on the top of your page in your notebook, we are going to write the title. What is the title? Estimation, because today we are going to work on estimation. So we are going to write the word estimation here. Okay, so here on the top of the page, capital letter E. Letter S. Letter T. Letter I. Letter M. Letter A. Letter T. Letter I again. Letter O. And letter N. Estimation. Estimation. Okay? So we are going to estimate. We are going to guess. Vamos a adivinar. We are going to guess. We are going to estimate the length of some objects. Okay? When I told you that we are going to use the clips, it's because, for example, if I want to measure this marker and I don't have a ruler to measure, I can use different objects to measure. As I told you, for example, okay, I need to know how long is this marker. So using this tape, I can see, oh, okay, my marker. Hello, Joaquin. I love you, sweetie. So, like this, and I can see that my marker has this length. Okay, my marker is this long, right? And the same happens with the clips. I can make, okay, this marker measures one clip. Let's see how many clips for this marker. 3, 4, I think 5. Okay. So I put the markers and I'm going to say, okay, my marker measures 5 clips. 5 clips to know how long is my marker. This is what we are going to do today. But first, we are going to guess how many clips for the objects I'm going to show you. So, in our notebooks, we are going to do a chart. Vamos a hacer una tabla. We are going to make a chart. First, we are going to write here on the first column is going to be the object. What object are we going to measure? So here, please write object, object. Letter O. Letter B. Letter J. Letter E. Letter C. And letter T. Object. Object. Very good. If you have a ruler, you can trace a line. If you don't have, you can make the line by yourself. We are going to make the chart. So you are going to trace a line, object, like this. Okay, now we are going to write estimate, the estimate. How many do we think is the length of how long do we guess is the object? So here we are going to write estimate. Letter E. Letter S. Letter T. Letter I. Letter M. Letter A. Letter T. And letter E. Estimate. Estimate. And again, using our ruler, we're going to make a line here. I think I'm going to need another piece of paper because my letter is too big. So draw a line. Object estimate, and then here. And then you draw the line. And we are going to make one last column for the real measure. We are going to measure and we are going to write here the length. And the last one we are going to write letter L. letter E, letter N, letter G, letter T, and letter H. Okay? As we are not going to use a ruler, we are not going to measure with centimeters, but we are going to use clips in the length. We are going to make the drawing of a clip to know that we are using a clip to measure. So you are going to draw. Let's draw the clip like this. You are going to draw the clip. Okay? Ready? Okay. So let's begin. Okie dokie. Okay. Very good. So the first object that we are going to measure is a fork. Look, I have a special fork here. It is a wood fork. It is made of wood. So on the notebook here, under the word object, here, we are going to write fork. Object, fork. Letter F, letter O, letter R, letter K. Fork. Okay, now we are going to estimate. Attention. How many clips do you think this fork measures? Chiquis, this is very important. The answer is not going to be exact, and there are not right or wrong answers. It's just a guess, ¿ok? Esta parte, se las digo en español. No importa, no hay una respuesta correcta, simplemente estoy tratando de aproximarme, tratando de adivinar. No importa si yo digo que son 3 y al final resulta que son 5, no quiere decir que su respuesta esté mal, sino que estamos tratando de estimar, tratando de adivinar. Entonces, acá en el estimate, que ustedes lo van a hacer solitos y van a tratar de adivinar, no vayan a borrar. Si yo estimé 3 y resulta que eran 10, no importa, no vayan a borrar, es lo que ustedes creyeron. Bueno, es su estimación, no está mal, no está bien, no importa. Si nos aproximamos mucho, súper. Si nos estamos muy alejados, también súper, no importa, ¿ok? That's very, very important. Okay, so here I have how many clips do you think this fork measures? How many do you think to complete the fork? Make a guess. And you are going to write that guess here. Write the number. How many? 5, 10, 3, 8, 6. How many do you think? You are going to write the number here. The number that you want, the number that you think, your guess. How many clips for the fork? Okay? Ready? Done? Did you make your guess? Okay, great. Now we are going to measure the fork to see if you were close, if your answer is far, far from reality, okay? So let's see. Don't worry, it's not right or wrong. So I'm going to place the fork here. And we are going to measure with the clips. Okay, let's see how many clips. So we have 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, I think 6, and like 5.5, right? Yes, we have, yes, almost 6. Yes, almost 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost 6, right? Did you make a close guess? Yes? Okay, so now in our chart, we are going to write the real length of the fork. So it is 6 clips. 6. Here we are going to write 6. The fork measures 6 clips. Okay? Very good. Excellent. I'm not going to write anything here. You must write your estimate at home, okay? Excellent. Now we are going to measure the second object. We are going to measure this pin. Excellent, Pipe. 6. Very good. So we are going to measure this pin. I'm going to take the fork and the clips. And you are going to guess how many clips for the pin. Okay? So in your notebook, you are going to write the name of the second object. What is the name of the second object? Pin. This is a pin. Okay? So let's write pin. We begin with capital letter P, I, N. Pin. Okay. So now think, how many, make your estimation, how many clips, look at the size of the clip and look at the size of the pin. Can you see? Okay. How many clips does the pin measures? How many clips? How long is the pin? How many clips? Make your guess. Write down the number in estimation. Make your own estimation. Make your own guess. How many clips? Go ahead. Write down the number. How do you think? How many clips for the pin? Ready? Did you make your guess, your estimation? Okay, now let's see how long, how many clips is the pin long? We have the pin here. Now let's put the clips and see the length of the pin. Okay, ready? Let's begin. So here I have one clip, one clip. One. Two. Three. I think that's it. 3 clips for the pin, just 3. Great, so I'm going to write the result. 3. Were you close from your estimation? More or less? Great, very good. Excellent. So let's go with the final object, one more object, okay? And this is a difficult one. We are going to measure the ruler. Let's see how many clips for the ruler. How many clips do you think the ruler measures? How many? Let's take a look. This is the size of the clip and this is the size of the ruler. How many clips do you think for the ruler? Make your guess. We are going to write on the chart ruler. Okay? Here, ruler. So we begin with capital letter R. Letter U. Letter L. Letter E. And letter R. Ruler. Okay, so make your guess. How many clips do you think the ruler measures? Make your guess here. And meanwhile, I'm going to paste the ruler to the board. Go ahead. How many clips? How many clips do you think the ruler measures? How many? How many? Okay, go ahead. Love you, Majo. I'm going to need a lot of clips. Okay, so let's paste the ruler. Ready with your estimation? Yes, did you write the number in your notebook? Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to paste the ruler to the board. And let's see how many. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. So here we have our ruler. And let's see how many clips for our ruler. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. Well, 6, 7, 8, 9, wow, 10, and I think one more, 11. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 clips. So our ruler measures 11 clips. So we are going to write here on the length 11. 11. Did you guess? Were you close or not too close? Okay, that's what estimation is. And remember, we can measure using not only rulers or objects that are made to measure, but we can use different things. We can use different objects to measure, okay? Okay, very good. So I hope you have fun. See you tomorrow. No, see you groups 3 and 4 very, very soon, okay? For the English class. Okay, bye-bye, sweeties. I love you. Bye.